स्टूडेंट्स, पता नहीं आप किस टाइम पे ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, मे बी गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड आफ्टरनून या गुड इवनिंग। कल हमने कूलम्स लॉ और उससे रिलेटेड एक न्यूमेरिकल देखा था और सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल भी पढ़ा। आज के ये वीडियो लेक्चर में हम कूलम्स लॉ से रिलेटेड कुछ और न्यूमेरिकल पढ़ेंगे। तो कूलम्स लॉ से और सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल से ये न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं। लेट अस स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल। द इंसुलेटेड two insulated charge pairs A and B have their centers are separated by a distance r equal to 50 centimeter. What would be the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion if charge of each is 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb? The radii of the A and B are negligible as compared to distance of a separation. This is the first part of the question. Two spares, spare A and spare B, separated by a distance r is equal to, we convert it into the meter, so this is the 0.5 meter distance. Or the charge on the two insulated charge pairs A and B have their center separated 50 centimeter. What is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion? They both having a same kind of the charge. The electrostatic force of the repulsion, this is the charge on A 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, charge on B 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. So they will repel from each other, and we have to find out the force of a electrostatic force of a repulsion between them. So let's say you write the Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is F is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught QA QB divided by R square. So this F is equal to, substitute this value of this is a 9 into 10 raised to 9, first charge 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7, second is also same, so we can square it, divide by the r square is a 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 square. We can write this r is equal to 0.5 in the form 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 square. So when we calculate it, F is equal to 9 into 6.5 into 6.5, this 2 times, into 10 raised to plus 9 into 10 raised to square of the 10 raised to minus 7 is a 10 raised to 14, divide by 5 square of the 5 is a 25, and square of this 10 raised to minus 1 is a minus 2. By simplifying this, F is equal to 9 into 6.5 into 6.5 into 10 raised to then minus 14 plus 9, this will be a minus 5 plus 10 raised to 2, ऊपर जाएंगे तो ये becomes a plus, divide by 25, and this F is equal to, after simplification this value becomes a 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton. This is the electrostatic force of repulsion between these two same kind of the charges. Then let us see the another part of the question. What is the force of the repulsion if charge is doubled and amount of distance between them is a half? The second part of the B, when charge is doubled, means nu q dash equal to 2q, this is QA and q dash, this is the qb, this is also a double, and separation distance between them is a half, so nu r dash equal to r by 2. Then f is equal to, again use the Coulomb's law, 4 pi epsilon naught, instead of the q this becomes a 2q, or this also a 2q divided by r by 2 square. So this equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, q into q, this is becomes a 4 q square into, this is the 4 divided by r square divided by 4. This 4 becomes a 16 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by r square. This value of this part we calculated earlier in this equation. In this f is equal to 16 into 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Newton. So this f equal to this equal to 0.24 Newton. This will be a 0.24 Newton. Means when charge is doubled and separation distance it is a reduced half, that their electrostatic force of repulsion will be a 0.24 Newton. So this is the part of the question. Same question is asked again in another way. They suppose these two pairs A and B in an above equation, means this equation have identical in size. Identical का मतलब क्या होता है? Identical मतलब if pairs are the identical, they accumulate the equal amount of charge, or when they touch with each other they having a identical, means they having a sharing of the charge is equal. With A, suppose A and B of a identical in sizes, and third pair of the same size but uncharged brought in contact with the first. First means pair A which having a charge 6.7 into 10 raised to 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 Coulomb. This is the charge on this pair A. And another identical charge C, which is identical charge equal to 0, is charge on this equal to 0, no charge, uncharged, both are the identical. When they touch with each other, there will be a sharing of the charge. A will share the charge, this will be a 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 Coulomb divided by 2, and C also get charge 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 divided by 2. Or suppose we assume this charge is a Q and this is a Q is equal to 0. When they touch with each other, then it will be a Q by 2, this will be a Q by 2. Third pair of the same size charge is brought in contact with the first, means A, then brought in contact with the second, means B. B also having a charge, suppose it is a Q, and C is brought in contact with the B, the charge on the C equal to Q by 2. So this, when these two B and C in contact with each other, total charge becomes it will get added 3Q by 2. This is the total charge on both. When they are separated, B having a charge equal to 3Q by 4 and C having a charge 3Q by 4, because they are identical in size. And brought in contact with the second, and finally removed from the both, and they are placed. Now the charge A and charge B, having a charge A q by 2, this charge is a q by 2 and this is a 3q by 4. They are separated by a distance. In the previous, this is equal to, this is a 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. What is the new force of repulsion between A and B? Then what is the force? Once again we repeat it. The charge A and B, both are the identical in size. Suppose A and B identical size means they have accumulated this equal charge. Charge on A is a Q and charge on B is also Q. The third uncharged equal size, this is the third sphere of equal size, which is uncharged, charge equal to 0, in contact with A, then there will be share the charge q by 2 and q by 2, each of them. Then third, this is a C brought in contact with the B, the charge on B is a q and charge on C is a q by 2. When they are in contact with each other, total charge is 3q by 2, and when they are separated, again charge will become a half of to go to the sphere B and half of the charge go to the sphere C. Now this charge on the sphere A equal to q and charge on the sphere B is a 3q by 4. Again they place at a distance. With the previous question, the distance is distance separated by distance is 50 centimeter. Again separated by the same distance. Then what is the electrostatic force of repulsion? Then F is equal to again 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. This say QA QB divided by R square. So this value we can substitute 9 into 10 raised to 9 into charge on the first is a q by 2, charge on the second is a 3q by 4 and separation distance is a R square. We can simplify first, it is a 9 into 10 raised to 9, this a into this 3 into q square divided by 4 divided by R square means this is the R square, the separation distance is a 5 into 10 raised to minus 1 square. This is after this simplification, 9 into 3 into 10 raised to this becomes a 25 or 10 raised to 9, or the square of this 10 raised to minus 1 is a minus 2, or this becomes a plus 2 into 4. Let me check it. For 9, this is the q into this is the q square into this is a q square. 9 into this is a 3, 10 raised to 9 q square, or ye square of the 5 is a 25, square of this 10 raised to minus 2 is a 10 raised to minus 2. When it goes up, it becomes a plus. This is equal to total 27 divided by this is a 100, 25 for the 100 into 10 raised to 9, this is the 11 and q square. So when this is the 100, it goes to this is 9. So this is equal to 27 into 6.5 into 10 raised to minus 7 इसका square. So this final answer is, after the simplification, final answer is 5.7 into 10 raised to 5.7 into 10 raised to minus 10 raised to minus 3 Newton. Do the calculation yourself. So this is the two parts of the question. From the question 1, it is asked what is the electrostatic force of repulsion, and in the second part, when force is this charge is doubled and separation distance is half, what is the electrostatic force of repulsion? The second question, this pair A and B are the identical, and third sphere which is uncharged touch to A, again separated, and then touch to B, and again A and B placed at a distance 50 centimeter. So what will be the electrostatic force of repulsion between them? Let us try for some more questions. Numerical, based on the Coulomb's law, two charges Q and minus 3Q are placed on the x-axis. This is the Q minus 3Q placed on the x-axis. Placed on the x-axis. Placed on the x-axis, separated by a distance d. The separation distance is a d. These two charges separated by a distance d. Where should the 2q charge, this is a plus, where should the 2q charge place such that it will not experience any force? Means where ये 2q charge is a plus कहाँ रखना है ताकि it will not experience any force. The direction of the force for the positive charge, it is away from the charge, and for the negative charge it is toward the charge. So suppose we place this 2 coulomb of a charge at the in between these two charges. अगर ये दोनों के बीच में रखा तो ये क्या करेगा, ये कहाँ फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा? ड्यू टू दिस चार्ज, ये पॉजिटिव है, ए पॉजिटिव, तो अवे करेगा, कहाँ जाएगा? इस साइड जाएगा। और ये निगेटिव चार्ज है, इसकी वजह से ये 2q कहाँ जाएगा? अगेन इट टूवर्ड द 3q आएगा, इट विल नॉट गेट बैलेंस, दोनों फोर्स ऐड हो जाएंगे। तो इसका मतलब ये बीच में कहीं नहीं रख सकते। अगर यहाँ रखा, मान लो यहाँ रखा प्लस 2q यहाँ, तो ये इसकी वजह से इसका फोर्स ये डायरेक्शन में रहेगा, -3q के वजह से, और इसकी वजह से इसका फोर्स ये कहाँ रहेगा? ये डायरेक्शन में रहेगा। लेकिन ये चार्ज छोटा है, ये चार्ज बड़ा है, तो यहाँ बैलेंस नहीं होगा। तो वी हैव टू प्लेस दिस 2q चार्ज ऑन द एक्सिस इन दिस साइड, क्योंकि दिस इज द स्मॉलर चार्ज, ये -3q इज ए लार्जर। तो इस तरीके से इसको इस साइड में रखना पड़ेगा। वी कैन प्लेस दिस 2q चार्ज प्लस 2q एट एन डिस्टेंस सपोज x फ्रॉम दिस चार्ज, ये चार्ज से x डिस्टेंस पे रखेंगे। देन इसको इक्विलिब्रियम रखने के लिए चार्ज एट पॉइंट A, suppose this is a B and this is a C. This 4 चार्ज 2q एट A, इसको इक्विलिब्रियम रखने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? तो ये फोर्स, इसकी वजह से जो फोर्स है और इसकी वजह से जो फोर्स है वो कैसा आना चाहिए? इक्वल आना चाहिए। देन इट विल बी स्टेबल। सो द फोर्स ऑन A ड्यू टू B इक्वल टू फोर्स on A due to C, this should be equal. Then it will be a charge placed at the side, it will be experience it will not experience a force. तो force, this is the positive charge, ये positive charge, ये चार्ज की वजह से ये कहाँ जाएगा, रिपेल हो जाएगा। सो दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स एफ ए बी। और ये दूसरा, ये निगेटिव चार्ज है, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ये दोनों की वजह से, इसकी वजह से ये कहाँ जाएगा, इट विल मूव टुवर्ड द नेगेटिव चार्ज। सो दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ एफ ए सी। If this FAB and FAC are opposite in direction, they having equal in magnitude, and then only minus this plus 2q charge, it will be in a stable, means it will not experience any force. So this is the force FAB. ये 2q पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ए पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज की वजह से इसके ऊपर फोर्स रहेगा रिपल्शन अवे फ्रॉम, और ये 3q निगेटिव चार्ज है पॉजिटिव, इसकी वजह से जो फोर्स रहेगा ये टुवर्ड्स रहेगा, दे विल अट्रैक्ट। ये दोनों चार्ज क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव निगेटिव अट्रैक्ट होगा। सो एक फोर्स इधर लगेगा, दूसरा फोर्स इधर लगेगा, अगर उसका मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल है एंड अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, देन इट विल नॉट एक्सपीरियंस द फोर्स। दिस इज द कंडीशन। सो we can write the formula for AB epsilon naught Q at A into Q at B divided by, this is a x square, the separation distance is x square, equal to, ये दोनों वजह से कितना आएगा, so this 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q QA QC divided by separation distance x plus d इसका square, this will get cancelled. So we can write the value of this charge. QA कितना है, 2q, B कितना है, this is the q, divide by x square, equal to QA कितना है, 2q, QC कितना है, minus 3q, divide by this is the x plus d इसका square, minus sign, यहाँ force is only considered for the direction purpose, no need to write the here. So this q get cancel, इस q के साथ, ये q इसके साथ cancel हो जाएगा, और बचा हुआ this 2 will get cancel with this, the remaining terms are x divided by x square equal to, यहाँ क्या बचा, 3 divided by x plus d इसका square. By cross multiplication, this is the x square plus 2xd plus d square equal to 3x square. Transfer this term to this side, so this will become 2x square, x square is a minus from the 3x square, minus 2xd minus d square equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We can factorize this equation by using this formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And we can find out the values. Let us substitute the value. X is equal to minus this is the b becomes it minus 2d minus 2d plus minus under root b square means 4d square minus 4, a is a 2 and c is a minus d square, okay, this is the under root, divide by 2a, 2 into a is a 2, so x equal to, simplify this, minus becomes 2d plus minus under root 4d square minus plus and a plus 8d square divided by 4. The x is equal to, we can simplify it, 2d plus minus under root, we can take the common 4d is, we can take this 12 under root 4 plus 8 is a 12 d square divided by 4. So x is equal to 2d plus minus, we can take this we can split it into 3 into 4. So 2 will be come out. So this is 2d under root 3 divided by 4. So x equal to, taking the 2 common, 2d common, so 2d is a common, so 1 plus root 3 divided by 4. 2 gets cancelled, this 2. So final answer is x is equal to d by 2 plus minus root 3 by root 3 d by 2. So this will be the distance. At this distance, when this charge is placed at the left of charge q, then it will be experience the no force. क्या करना है, +2q चार्ज कहाँ रखेंगे तो it will not experience any force. So this will be the answer. Let us see the one more question. So 3-point charges of +2 microcoulomb, -3 microcoulomb and -3 microcoulomb are kept at a vertices of the ABC of an equilateral triangle. This is the equilateral triangle of side 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter, angle, subtending angle is a 60 degree. Place at the mid, then what is the question is, what would be the magnitude and sign of the charge be placed at the midpoint of M? What would be the magnitude and sign of the charge placed midpoint M of a side BC, so that charge A remain in a equilibrium. So this 3 charges +2 microcoulomb, -3 microcoulomb and -3 microcoulomb are placed on the vertices of the equilateral triangle of a side 20 centimeter. So what should be the magnitude of the charge placed at a midpoint of a BC at M, so that the system A will be so that charge A will remain in a equilibrium. This is the question. This is easy question, we can solve it. Okay, let us start this question. You can start this way. So the force experienced by charge, this 2q charge due to this -3 microcoulomb charge, and force experienced by this 2 coulomb due to this -3 microcoulomb charge. We can calculate this force on +2 microcoulomb due to -3 microcoulomb at B. So F, we can write A B, this equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught according to Coulomb's law. Charge A plus this 2 microcoulomb, 2 into 10 raised to -6 into 3 into 10 raised to -6 divided by separation distance 20 into 10 raised to -2 square. This is in a centimeter, it is written in a meter. So this first charge, product of these two charge, 2 microcoulomb, 3 microcoulomb, and separation distance is 20 centimeter, which is written in a meter. Meter में लिखा, तो write the values. F A, force on A due to B, 9 into 10 raised to 9, that's value of this term. 2 into 3 is a 6 into 10 raised to minus 12. Square of this 20 is a 400 and square of this 10 raised to minus 2 is a 10 raised to minus 4. So this 2 will इसके साथ जाएगा, minus 2 बचेगा. FAB equal to 9 into 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. This is a minus 12 plus 9 minus 3 divide by 4. This 10 raised to minus 2 ऊपर जाएगा, it becomes a plus. So this will be a, ये जाएगा 2 से डिवाइड करो तो ये 3 और ये 2. So this will be a 27 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 1. This will be the answer. Let's check. So this will be the 13.5 into 10 raised to minus 1 Newton. Let's check the answer. Okay, this is 10 raised to minus 9, 10 raised to 9, 10 raised to minus 12. This becomes a minus 3, or 10 raised to a square of this term, 10 raised to minus 4, 10 raised to minus 4, ये 2 0 इसके साथ गया, ये minus 2 बचा, ऊपर जाकर प्लस हो जाएगा 2, और this is the, it will be this value equal to 27 into 9, 6, 2 2 जा 4 and 2 3 जा, this is 27 divided by 2. Okay, this is right. Okay, 1.35, this is Newton. So the force experienced by the A and B equal to 1.35 Newton. Similarly, the magnitude is the same and distance is also same. This also experience the force A due to the C, this equal to 1.35 Newton. So what about the direction? अगर ये 2 माइक्रोकूलम वाला चार्ज प्लस है, इसको फ्री किया तो ये कहाँ जाएगा? इट विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड, मीन्स दिस विल बी द डायरेक्शन. कितना? तो दिस इक्वल टू 1.35 न्यूटन अलॉन्ग दिस डायरेक्शन. ये भी कहाँ जाएगा? 1.35 न्यूटन अलॉन्ग दिस डायरेक्शन. दिस विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड. So third charge means first charge okay, A charge on at A is a 2 microcoulomb. This is the plus, or one is the experience the force, this equal to 1.35 Newton along this direction. Another experience the force 1.35 Newton. This is the FAC or FBAB. These two forces are along this direction, and angle between them is a 60 degree. So it get divided 30 and 30 degree. So this third charge we have to place at a point M. Third charge we have to place at a point M. Suppose it is a QM, so that A will be a, so that A remain in a equilibrium. So दो फोर्स है, यहाँ ऐसा चार्ज रखना है कि इसकी वजह से इक्विलिब्रियम आए. एक्चुअली ये दोनों फोर्स की वजह से इसका फोर्स यहाँ है, दूसरे का फोर्स इस डायरेक्शन में है. तो तीसरा चार्ज ऐसा रखना है कि इसका डायरेक्शन इसके अपोजिट होना चाहिए. दिस विल बी ए एफ ए एम इन ए अपोजिट डायरेक्शन. तो ये फोर्स इस साइड में है, ये फोर्स इस साइड में, इसका रिजल्टेंट क्या रहेगा? अलोंग द डायगोनल ये साइड में. दिस इज द फोर्स, रिजल्टेंट फोर्स एफ आर ड्यू टू दिस एफ ए बी एंड एफ ए सी. ये दोनों की वजह से रिजल्टेंट ये डायरेक्शन में रहेगा, और ये जो चार्ज है इसकी वजह से जो फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा इसका अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए, तभी ये बैलेंस हो जाएगा। तो कैसे देखो, तो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द रिजल्टेंट force due to FAB and FAC. So this FAB and FAC makes an angle 30 degree. So this resolve this vector into the two components. We can resolve this vector into this component. This is the component 1 और दूसरा along this direction. So this will be a क्या आएगा FAB cos of a 30 degree और this is FAB sin of a 30 degree. This is resolved into two components. Similarly, the FAC also we can resolve into two component. इसको यहाँ जाएगा FAC sin of a 30 और along this direction ये डायरेक्शन में आएगा FAC sin नहीं cos, this is along the angle cos of a 30 degree. So these two are the equal, FAC equal to FAB. We have seen FAC or FAB having the same value sin 30 equal and opposite, they will be cancel each other, but this force get added. This force, so this F, we can add this FAB cos of a 30 degree plus FAC of cos 30 degree. ये दोनों फोर्स कहाँ लग रहे हैं? नीचे, ये दोनों फोर्स नीचे लग रहे हैं, सो ये ऐड हो जाएंगे. सो दिस विल बी 2 times of a FAB, इधर फोर्स दोनों इक्वल है और sin 30 is √3/2. 2 get cancelled, √3 into either force, this is a 1.35 Newton, so this will be a F resultant, rep resultant in a downward direction. So the resultant at +2 microcoulomb charge at point A, the downward force is a 1.35 into √3 Newton in a downward direction. So we have to place some charge at M to make this A equilibrium. इसको equilibrium बनाना है, इसका मतलब इसका force कैसे चाहिए? Force of a M, force on a A due to M, it will be a FAM, it should be a opposite direction, upward होना चाहिए and equal in magnitude होना चाहिए. Suppose we assume that their charge is placed at this is a QM, यहाँ एक charge रखा QM, so that इसका force opposite direction में ऊपर होना चाहिए. तो ये we can find out this है, ये force नीचे है दोनों का, इसका ऊपर का force भी कितना होना चाहिए? इतना ही होना चाहिए. FAM this will be 1.35 Newton, 35 √3 Newton, equal and opposite. अगर ऊपर के डायरेक्शन में ये फोर्स है तभी ये दोनों बैलेंस होगा और ये इक्विलिब्रियम में आएगा. सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द व्हाट इज द फोर्स. दिस फोर्स FAM equal to 1/4πε0 QM divided by R square. R square means this is the distance, यहाँ से ये कितना डिस्टेंस है. तो AM इक्वल टू ये 10 है, AM तो हमें ये 20 है, तो हमें ये फाइंड करना है. AM यूजिंग द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, AM का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर माइनस दिस BM स्क्वायर. तो AM इक्वल टू अंडर रूट AB स्क्वायर. AB square means 20 square of the 20 is a 400 minus square of the AM is a minus 100. So this becomes a under root 300. So this we can write 10 into √3 in a centimeter. We can make this as a, so this will be a 10 into root 3 in a centimeter into 10 raised to minus 2 इसका square, so it becomes a in a meter. A अब हम कितना चाहिए, so 1.35 into root 3 अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में, तभी ये इक्विलिब्रियम में आएगा. और ये 9 into 10 raised to 9, ये चार्ज कितना है QA, दिस वैल्यू इज ए 2 माइक्रोकूलम, इसका 2 माइक्रोकूलम है और इसका QM है, डिवाइड बाय ये स्क्वायर करो तो ये आएगा 10 का स्क्वायर 100 और ये रूट 3 का स्क्वायर 3 और इंटू 10 raised to minus 4. Then 1.35 multiply by root 3 into, अगर ये इसके जाएगा तो दिस विल बी -2, सो 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 डिवाइड बाई 9 into 10 raised to 9, this equal to QM. And this also this, okay, this also the 9 into 2 18 into 10 raised to 3, divide it, 3 6 18, तो this is the root 3, 1.35 into root 3 डिवाइड बाई 6 into 10 raised to ये ऊपर जाएगा तो दिस विल बी कैसे -5 और this equal to QM. So QM equal to, we can write 1.35 multiply by value of this is a 1.73 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 6 in a coulomb. This will be the charge, means plus charge of this value plus charge of a, or after simplification this is 2.25 into root 3 into 10 raised to minus 6 coulomb, या 2.25 into root 3 microcoulomb the charge is required. So this should be at this place, this charge is placed, this is a plus, this is plus, so definitely they will repel. ये फोर्स ये ऊपर एग्जर्ट करेगा, ये दोनों मिला के फोर्स नीचे और इसका रिजल्टेंट यहाँ आएगा, दोनों फोर्स इक्वल रहेगा, देन ये विल बी इन ए स्टेबल. ओके, मुझे लगता है तुम लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया होगा. इस सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ एक फोर्स यहाँ रखना है कि इसके वजह से ये सिस्टम क्या होगा, ये इक्विलिब्रियम में आना चाहिए. ये दोनों फोर्स नीचे एक्सर्ट करते हैं, रिजल्टेंट ये डायरेक्शन में, तो यहाँ पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखेंगे, दिस शुड बी ये पॉजिटिव चार्ज रखेंगे तो ये फोर्स अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में एक्सर्ट करेगा. सो यहाँ कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स हमने प्रैक्टिस किया, सम मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स यू डू योर सेल्फ, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हम पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. और ये सब क्वेश्चन नोट करो, एक अच्छा सा नोटबुक बनाओ और इसमें क्लियरली ये सब क्वेश्चंस नोट करो और कुछ क्वेश्चन और लेकर प्रैक्टिस करो. थैंक यू.